Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today in this video I want to talk about the profound impacts, the evidence-based impacts and benefits of using castor oil with regards to reversing the visual signs of aging, particularly in the face. Okay, and what prompted me to talk about this today was some of the data coming out around the prevalence of the use of Botox. Okay, um, Botox isn't inherently bad in and of itself, but there is a growing foundation of evidence to suggest some of the risks that come not so much with isolated Botox use, but long-term, chronic Botox use. And I wanted to provide an evidence-based alternative. Okay, because looking younger, when you look in the mirror, looking, liking what you look at, what you see is important. When we look healthy and young, we feel healthy and young, and that's something that Ayurveda has recognized and advocated for thousands of years. Ayurveda has a whole framework, a whole science around anti-aging, both in terms of the body, the cells, the organs, but also aesthetically, making ourselves look younger and vital and youthful, our skin, our hair, our eyes. And in that capacity, there's one herbal oil, natural oil, okay, that absolutely reigns supreme in terms of its ability to help our skin look youthful and elastic and hydrated and tight and toned, okay. And that oil is the famous, revered castor oil, okay, the oil made from pressing the castor bean. Okay, Ayurveda has, countless uses for castor oil. It's used internally, particularly for managing things like constipation and gastric issues. It's used, it's a clinically proven painkiller, a clinically proven anti-inflammatory, and I'll talk about those in later videos. But in this one, I want to talk about the specific aesthetic uses, okay? Because when it comes to reversing the visual signs of aging, castor oil reigns supreme for two reasons, okay? And those reasons are that castor oil is now clinically proven to increase the production of two proteins in the body called elastin and collagen. Okay, I'm sure lots of you have heard of those, particularly collagen, because they're so famous with regards to aesthetic health. But what castor oil does, by increasing the production of elastin, by increasing the production of collagen, those two proteins are sacrosanct in terms of the health of our the skin, particularly on our face, because they increase the elasticity of the skin, they increase hydration in the skin, they increase tone. Okay, if we think about what is, wrinkles, crow's nest, facial aging, it's because the skin loses its elasticity. Okay, it loses its tightness, it loses its tone, it loses its hydration, and that makes the skin look aged. It makes it sag, it creates wrinkles, it makes us look old. Okay, by increasing the production of elastin, by increasing the production of collagen, you antidote, you mitigate that risk, and it makes the skin really tight, really toned, really elastic, really hydrated, really useful. And to harness these benefits, it's super simple. Okay, you just need to get some good quality, ideally organic, cold pressed castor oil. Okay, we use fuchsia because they're such superior quality, and just ideally every evening. Okay, it's great to use it in the evening before bed because that can work through the night. You're not sweating, you're not out and about. So just take a little bit of castor oil and just massage it into your face. There's some simple strokes you can do. There's something called the windscreen wiper stroke, which is just under the eyes like that. So apply it all over the face liberally, massage it in, and then just some stretching strokes under the eyes like that, over the forehead, across the jawline. Okay, just for a couple of minutes before bed. You do that regularly, night after night, week after week, month after month. It's going to have a clinically proven profound effect upon the quality, the youthfulness, the health of your skin. Okay, so give it a try. Any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you want to stay up to date with these videos that come out once a week, please do subscribe to the channel so you stay updated with all things health, Ayurveda, longevity, disease prevention, and I'll see you in the next video.